Today was Cars and Coffee here in Ocala, and even though we have about 16 members in our group, there was 5 of us, which is not bad. We had a blast. It was a great event, great weather for a cruise. And let's start here with my 76 Stingray. And you've probably seen it many times in different videos.
That's what I probably should have done. Considering I had,
So after that weird transformation there from 76 to 1980, this is Johnny's 1980 Corvette. He's from Gainesville. He drove down to Ocala to hang out with us. So that was good. It was good to see him and his wife Jackie. They both came down, and his car is very, very cool. Quite custom, as you can see, and it looks good. And this is Bob's 1973 convertible. And he always gets a lot of compliments on that paint job. That is really a stunning car. Next we have Walter's 1976 Corvette, and I forgot to ask him. I've been meaning to. It's got that interesting two-tone interior, and I know that was an option back in 70, 75, 76, where you could order a two-tone interior, which was pretty neat. And here's Jim's 1969 Le Mans Blue Stingray. I love that car, and I keep bugging him about bringing it to an NCRS event and getting the car flight judged, because I think this car would qualify. Certainly qualifies for that. I mean, the car is impeccable, and it's pretty much all original. So he should do that. And here's our lineup of C3s again. This is, by the way, a great event. There's live music. Usually there's a band in the front of the building, and behind the dealership there's another band. You can see this little guy. He was relaxing and enjoying the music. And this is a shot of Johnny's 1980 Corvette. And Jim had to leave, well, not really early. We stayed, most of us, until the very end of the event, which is kind of unusual for us. But it was such a great event, and we all were having such a good time that we stayed. As you can see, everybody had pretty much left the parking area. Here you have some aerial shots of our cars, and as you can see, there are no bad angles here. And by the way, this is my one of my neighbors, Oscar. He's into MGs and Jags. He brought this one to the event, and I sat in that thing. I thought my car was small. This thing is really tight in there, but seems to be a lot of fun. He told me he wants me to drive it one of these days, so I'll be happy to oblige. But anyway, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.